If you're thinking of buying a home, do some investigating first. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about the value of a home inspection right after this. What's the first step of any building or repair project? I always make sure I have the tools and materials I need, starting with the Quikrete mobile app. With easy one-touch access, you can watch project video instructions, quickly pull up a material shopping list, and make sure you have what you need, or use the app to figure out how much you need and find out where to buy it. You can even share your finished project via the Quick Share function. It's the tool you can use from start to finish. Download the Quikrete mobile app on the App Store or Google Play today. Don't get serious about buying a home without hiring a professional home inspector to look into every nook and cranny of your home, including plumbing, heating, and electrical wiring. Everything functional and structural. While costs vary depending on the size, construction, and location, most home inspections run around $350, a small price compared to making expensive repairs. A good inspector should provide you with a detailed written report that includes suggestions and cost estimates for any needed repairs. The best inspectors are those with some sort of prior building experience, but skip the ones who offer to do the repairs or who want to recommend someone who can. That's clearly a conflict of interest. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.